Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm back with another video on how to sign out of Steam on all devices. If you want to keep your account secure and if you want to make sure that your Steam account has not been misused by anyone or any unauthorized access has gotten into your Steam account. So if you want to make sure that your account is safe, then you can easily sign out of all devices on Steam. First of all, launch open the Steam application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside this main homepage of Steam, go ahead and click on the name drop-down at the top right corner, which is also known as Manage Your Account button. Now, click on the Account Detail button from the pop-up menu, and once you open up the Accounts Details page, go ahead and click on Security and Devices from the left-hand side menu. Once you're inside this Account Security tab, scroll all the way down and look for this Sign Out of Everywhere button. If you're skeptical about someone else signing in with your Steam client, then you can easily click on Sign Out on Everywhere button and then click on Proceed. Any unauthorized access that has your Steam account's credential will also be logged out, and that way you will be able to keep your account safe and secure from unauthorized access. Click the Proceed button in order to sign out of all the devices, and there you go. That is how you can easily sign out of all devices on Steam application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.